Hello, little stars. It's Bella here. Today we're going to read the book called Splish, Splash, Baby by Karen Katz. Look, here is a baby. Can you wave hello to baby? Hello, baby. Good job. Let's open the book to the first page. It's bath time. Who's in the tub? Can you tell me what this is? What is that? It's a shower curtain. Can you say shower curtain? Yes. And what's behind the shower curtain? What's that? This is a bathtub. Can you say bathtub? Beautiful. Now let's see who's hiding behind the shower curtain. Can you say open? Let's open it. Open. Whoa, it's baby. What is baby doing? Baby is splashing water. Splish, splash. Can you say splish, splash? Yes, good job. Let's turn the page. Oh, look at that baby sitting in the tub. And what do you think these are? What are these? These are bath bottles. Bottles. Can you say bottles? Yes, how many bottles do you see? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. 3 bath bottles. Now what's behind the bath bottles? Let's check. What do you see? What are these? Ducks. These are ducks. Quack, quack. How many ducks do you see? Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3. 3 yellow ducks. Quack, quack. Can you say quack, quack? Good job. Let's turn the page. Oh, look. We see a baby, and baby's playing with something. What is that? It's a bucket. Can you say bucket? Bucket. And there is something in the bucket. What do you think it is? What's inside the bucket? Do you think it's baby soap? Let's check. Ooh, what's that? It's a little tugboat. It's not a soap. It's a little tugboat. Toot, toot. Right? That's the sound the tugboat makes. Toot, toot. Can you make that sound? Toot, toot. Good job. Let's turn the page. Oh, we see another baby in the bathtub. What is baby doing? What is all that? These are bubbles. Can you say bubbles? Bubbles. Let's pop them. Pop, pop, pop. Yeah, these are bubbles. What's behind the bubbles? What do you think is behind the bubbles? Let's check. Whoa, what is that? It's a bath sponge. Bath sponge. What do you think it looks like? It looks like a frog. Look, it's a green frog bath sponge. Squish, squash. Right? What do we do with the bath sponge? We rub ourselves with soap and sponge. With a soapy sponge. Right? Let's turn the page. Ooh! What are these? We see feet and toes. Right? Those are the toes. Can you say toes? Good job. Can you touch your toes? Beautiful. What's under those teeny tiny toes? Let's check. Ooh, look at that animal. What's that? It's a big blue whale. Can you say whale? Yes, the whale is a big fish that swims in the ocean. But this is a rubber whale, right? This is what baby is playing with in the bathtub. Squirt, squirt. That's the sound the whale makes. Squirt, squirt. All right, let's turn the page. Now bath time is over. over. It's time to dry off. Who's behind the towel? Who do you think is hiding behind the towel? Let's see. Say open. Open. Who's that? It's Mommy. Mommy and baby. What is Mommy doing? Mommy is rubbing the baby with a towel. Rub it out, baby. Let's close it. Oops, the end. We finished reading the book. I hope you liked the story. I'll see you next time, little stars.